Now this video is an introduction to music. So with an introduction, I am going to first start with a keyboard. The keys on the keyboard and the keys on the piano. On the keyboard we have 5 octaves. So that is 5 octave means 8 white keys and 5 black keys. So 8 and 5, 13. So there are 5 such octaves on a keyboard, and on a piano there are 7 such octaves. So the total number of white keys, if you count, on a keyboard will be keyboard white and black keys will be 65, and on the piano will be 85. 13 into 5, 65. 13 for 1 octave. This is 1 octave, 13. So 65 keys in a keyboard, normally 5 octave keyboard. There are 4 octave keyboards also, but 5 octave is the normal size for the keyboard. And in the case of piano, you have 7 octaves, so that's about 85, 86 keys. Okay, now we'll break up these keys into 2 groups. There are 2 black keys and the 3 white keys. And then the 3 black keys and the 5 white keys. Okay, so now this is your C, middle C, and this is the C sharp. This is D, this is D sharp, this is E, then this is F. So this is the first small group of keys, and this is the next group of keys, the 3 black keys, and here is F, then this is F sharp, G, G sharp, A sharp, B and C. Okay, now what does this sharp mean? Sharp means it is raised by a semitone. A semitone means half a tone. A semitone is the distance between these 2 notes. It is half a tone. So now for introductory purposes, it's enough if you know that this is C and this is C sharp. Exactly what happens you will learn as you go along. So this is C, this is D, this is E, and this is C sharp and D sharp. Okay, and this is F, G, A, B, C, F, F sharp, G, G sharp, A sharp, B, C, and together this forms one group of 13 notes, and this C to C is called the octave. 8 notes. Octave means 8 notes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. There are 5 such octaves on the keyboard and 7 such octaves for a piano. Now, when you look at music which is written, music is written on 5 lines. These are the 5 lines on which music is written. These 5 lines together are called a stave. Always you will find all music written on 5 lines, not on 1 line or 2 line or 3 lines. There should be 5 lines, and these 5 lines are called a stave. The stave is a plural, singular is staff, S-T-A-F-F, double F. So in the singular it is called staff. In the plural, many lines on one page are called the stave. And music is written on these 5 lines. Now you can see here, this is the treble clef. It's called a treble clef, and it's also called the G clef. The G clef because it starts on the second line, which is the G line in the treble clef. So this is G, it starts, the treble clef starts like this on G. You take it up to the 3rd line, come down to the 1st line, go up, make an S, come down and turn in. How do you do it? You go start on the 2nd line, go up to the 3rd line, come down on the 1st line, go up, an S and come straight down. That's called the treble clef. And the lines on the treble clef are, the first line is E, you go from down to up. So first line is E, second line is G, third line is B, fourth line is D, fifth line is F. So for you to remember, for children to remember easily, it is every good boy does fine, or eat good bread dear father, or every good band does fine, whatever you want. E, G, B, D, F. These are the 5 lines on the treble clef. Similarly, between these lines there are spaces. So between E and G comes F. E, F, G. Then A, B, then third space C, D, fourth space E, fifth line F. So the 4 spaces in between the lines, the 4 spaces are F, A, C, E. So E, first space F, second line G, second space A, third line D, third space C, fourth line D, fourth space E, and fifth line F. So the 5 lines in the treble clef are E, G, B, D, F, and the 4 spaces are F, A, C, E. Now I will show you these lines on the keyboard. On the keyboard, this is where the E comes. This is your middle C, in the middle of the keyboard. This is E, C, D, then this is E. Then this is F, this is G. So this is the second line, G. Then this is A, then this is B. Then this is C, this is D, and this is E, this is F. So E, G, B, D, F. These are the 5 lines. Now I didn't mention earlier, but music has only 7 notes. A, B, C, D, E, F, and G. There is no H, I, J, K, nothing after that. It's all music is on 7 notes and on semitones, that is 7 sharps, flats, whatever. So when the key changes, the sharps come in or the flats come in. So basically it's only on 7 notes. What you need to know at this stage is music is on 7 notes: A, B, C, D, E, C, D, E, F, G. After G, you start again A. So here is A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and again A comes. Then A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and then again A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Okay? So here you have E, E. See, this is C. The 2 black notes is C. Then count D, then count E. Now this is 3 black notes, this is F. So this is next to F is E. G, then leave 1, B, leave 1 space, D, leave 1 space, F. E, G, B, D, F. And then the space that you left will be the spaces F. Then this is second line G, A, third line B, C, again the same C, that this is third space C, same C at the bottom of the 2 notes, C, F, A, C. Then you leave D and E. So these are your 4 spaces. E, G, B, D, F. These are your 5 lines. And in between these 5 lines are your 4 spaces, F, A, C, E. So this much for the treble clef. I hope you all have understood this. These are 5 lines and 4 spaces. Okay. Now we go to the next. In the music you will find that music is written like this. You will find a piece. There is a treble clef here. There is the treble clef here. And then there is 4/4. So what is this 4/4? 4/4 means 4 crotchet beats in a bar. Means you have to count 4. These notes are called crotchets.